Install this app and you will earn over $100. Install Uber app and you will earn $180. Install some gaming app and you can earn up to $200. And there are thousands of apps that you can install and get paid for installing them, which is one of the best ways to make money online. I tried it recently and I got over $20 in just few minutes. And I will show you my live withdrawal proof from this website, so stay tuned until the end. Like this video and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this website. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see, you can find lots of offers on this website that has a very high payouts. And the good thing is that you can use this app on your Android mobile device and on your laptop or computer device. So if you want to make money online using your mobile device, you can do so by installing their mobile app on your device. Now the first thing you need to do is to register yourself on this website for completely free. I will leave a link to this website in the description of this video. You can click on that link and you create a free account on this website. Once you verify your email and log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. You can see people from different countries around the world earning money on this website every minute by just installing apps. This means this website is available in almost all countries around the world, so you can be from anywhere in the world and can still earn money with it. Now to make money installing apps, the step number 2 is to scroll down a little bit on your dashboard, and here you will find a ton of apps that you can install and make money online. You can continue scrolling on this page and the apps will keep showing. There are hundreds of apps, if not thousands, that you can install and earn money with them. And you can see, you can earn anywhere between few cents up to $248 for installing an app, and on an average, you can earn $70 per app you install from this website. Now, you can find many useful apps here that we use in day-to-day life, such as Cash App. Most of us use this app to transfer money. And if you don't have this app yet, you can install this app on your device and can earn $4.20 from this website for installing it. Now if you click on Cash App, it will show you the requirements and the eligibility criteria to get paid for installing this app. As you can see, this offer is available only for new users. Secondly, you must enter valid sign-up information while creating account on Cash App. Also, you need to enter your credit card information for registration, which is very general in case of Cash App. Once you read all the requirement, you can just click Start Offer and it will take you to Google Play Store. Because as you can see, this offer is available only for Android mobile users. So from here, you can install the Cash App on your device, complete the conditions of this app, and you will be credited with $4.20 on this website. Just like this, you can find many different apps offers, like this YouTube app offer showing on here, which will pay you 96 cents. And you can see that this offer is available only for desktop or Android device. So let's open this offer. As you can see, this YouTube offer is from Public Survey Panel. And to receive 96 cents, you just need to sign up with valid information on Public Survey Panel. And as soon as you sign up, you will be instantly credited with 96 cents in your account on this website. So you can just click on Start Offer, register yourself, and you will get paid 96 cents instantly to your account. Like this, there is another app offer for Google, which is available for both Android and iOS device. And you can see, you will earn 60 cents if you complete this offer. So let's open it up. As you can see, here you just need to participate in $500 Google Play gift card to receive 60 cents. So you need to register on this gift house with your valid information and you need to verify your email address. Then you just need to participate in the $500 Google gift card and boom, you will receive the 60 cents in your account. Just like this, there is PayPal gift card offer, which is exactly similar to the Google offer I just showed you. So you can just click on Start Offer and earn 60 cents in just 5 minutes after you participate in this contest. Now step number 3, if you want to earn big money installing apps, there are some interesting offers that I would like to share with you. So if you go to the sort by option and select the highest payout option from there, it will show you all the highest paying apps that you can install and make money online. So for example, if you are interested in doing DoorDash deliveries, you can install the DoorDash app from here and you can earn over $105 for completely free. Now again, if you click on this offer, you can see that you need to sign up on DoorDash and get your account activated. And as soon as you complete your first delivery, you will be credited with $105 in your account. Just like that, if you are interested in Uber driver, you can install the app from here and you can earn up to $180 for when you complete your first trip. Now the most interesting part of this video, you can find hundreds of gaming apps on this website. And this website pays the most amount of money for installing and playing different games. So for example, if you are interested in playing Ant Legion, you can earn over $235 for that. Just choose your mobile type, whether it is Android or an iOS device. So let's say you have an Android device, you can open up this offer. As you can see, complete various events in Ant Legion and you will be paid for your progress after every 7 days. So once you install this game and reach the second level of this game, you will earn 12 cents. When you reach 11 levels of this game, you will earn $12. On 18 levels of this game, you will earn $20. On 23 levels of the game, you will earn $43. And on the 31st level, you will get paid the highest, which is $144. After that, you earn $7 for 2 times. And in total, you will earn $235 just like this, which is really awesome because you are getting paid to install and enjoy the game. Just like this, you can install and play many different games available here, such as Mafia games, puzzle games, car racing games, stickman games, bingo games, and much more. Just install these games through this website, reach different levels of this game, and earn $70 on an average for playing and enjoying these games. Now the name of this website is cashward.com. You will find a link to this website in the description of this video, but make sure you do not use any VPN service while using this website, otherwise your account will get banned permanently. And the fourth step is to show my withdrawal proof from Cashward. And for this, all I need to do is to click where where it says shop. That's gonna take us to this page from where you can withdraw your earnings from Cashward. As you can see, we have tons of options to withdraw our earnings from here, such as Apple gift card, Xbox gift card, eBay gift card, Airbnb gift card, Google Play gift card, Amazon gift card, and the list goes on and on. But I personally like PayPal the most, so all I need to do is just search for PayPal in this box. And as you can see, I can get the PayPal voucher from here. So let's just go to the PayPal, and from here, we can withdraw a minimum of $5 and a maximum of $20 to our account at a time. So let's just select the $20 option from there. You can see that we will be charged 10% fee for withdrawing through PayPal. So now, we just need to click on this withdraw $22 button over here, and you can see that our PayPal voucher has been submitted for approval, and it will be accepted within few hours. So let's wait for it. And before we move further, give a like to this video and help me to reach 2,000 likes on this video if you want me to create more live withdrawal proof videos on this channel. So now, as you can see, I have received the notification that my PayPal voucher has been accepted, and as you can see, I have received the email for the same. Now I just need to click on this link provided by Cashward, and that's gonna take me to new tab where I can choose my country from here and just click on this PayPal option from there. Now on this page, I just need to enter my PayPal ID in this box and reconfirm the same by entering the same in this box. Then just click on this transfer button. As you can see, we are sending the money to your PayPal account. Now, this might take the maximum of 24 hours to receive, but in my case, I received it instantly within just a minute. And as you can see, I have received a payment of $20 from Tremendous, which is actually sent by Cashward using the third-party app. Let me log into my PayPal account to show the payment in my account. And as you can see, I have received $20 from Tremendous. Let me refresh this page for you so you don't think this is some kind of screenshot or anything like that. And as you can see again, payment of $20 received from Tremendous, which is sent by Cashward. Once again, you will find a link to this website in the description of this video, so register yourself today and start to make money online. Thanks for watching.